Welcome to Audify, the world's easiest way to manage data across multi-unit organizations and businesses of all sizes. Audify connects to all your marketing, financial, and operating systems so you can see your data in one easy-to-use platform. Connect your systems, pick your metrics, and enjoy instant visibility to your data in one place without any manual steps. It's really that easy. Our process is simple. Set up your organization with Audify's seamless onboarding process. Audify is designed to be versatile for both single-unit or multi-unit organizations. First, set up your organization profile and then add one or many locations to each organization. Customize your organization's settings and branding. Add your own terminology and much more. Even managing several multi-unit organizations with Audify is simple. Within each organization, add a single location or set up many locations by utilizing Audify's bulk onboarding tool to import data without manual entry. Then invite your team so you can start collaborating together. Audify allows you to connect your unique mix of marketing, financial, and operating systems, so you have visibility to your entire organization in one easy-to-use platform. Select your apps and manage connections for all your locations from one system. With our automatic reminders, everyone on your team will be able to connect their apps easily and like never before. Audify's reporting tool allows you to see aggregated reports for all your connections. Forget the hassle of logging in and out of systems. With Audify, you have a single tool to manage all your marketing, financial, and operating reports from one place. Once your apps are connected, utilize Audify's one-of-a-kind data normalization tool to standardize your data at the source. Consistency in your data is critical to meaningful insights. That's why Audify equips you and your team with efficient tools to normalize source data. With Audify, you have the option to either map your data lists, or you can take it one step further and use Audify to add data lists in your source systems. Audify allows you to build scorecards with the metrics that measure your organization's marketing, financial, and operational performance. Use Audify's scorecard templates or build your own custom scorecards. Scroll through Audify's metric libraries for each of your connections, make your selections, and add your goals to begin tracking performance like never before. Share scorecards with your team so everyone has the data needed to collaborate in achieving new levels of performance. Audify's simple scoring system makes it easy to see how close you are to achieving your goals. Utilize 3 different view options for your scorecards so you can analyze the data from different angles. Drill down into your data for more detail and insights. Sort columns, export to Excel, add filters, and so much more. Audify scorecards give you the ability to unlock insights from your data like nothing else. Audify was created to give you the tools and insights to grow your organization like never before. With the Audify dashboard, you're able to see your data from a bird's-eye view, so you can manage your marketing, financial, and operational performance at a glance. Never before has there been a solution like Audify to unite your organization and achieve your goals. Audify, bridging platforms for success.